This is the final completion, bro. Guys, this is the final completion. Domain expansion. Bro, Sakuna is literally getting tossed around by me and Lucas Blues. You know what? What if this guy RCT? By the way, Luca, me and Zach got RCT on 10 times today. Actually, 11. Because I don't think another domain expansion is needed to kill you.
I'm just sitting
I got
blue eyes Hayin Sakuna.
me also. I also got that.
Blue eyes Hayin Sakuna.
I got it as an accessory.
Is that good?
Wait, let me just see how much HP. If it gives me more HP than the Gojo.
It gives the same HP, but it looks better in my opinion. But like,
I got the normal eyes. I got the normal eyes, Luca. I have the normal eyes.
I have the iron eyes Hayin Sakuna, and I have the blue eyes Hayin Sakuna.
I have the iron eyes, Sakuna, the normal one. Wait, I'm supposed to have the blue one.
True.
Okay, let's fight this man.
Well, I'm gonna use the blue one. I'm gonna see how much damage this stuff do. 16.
I don't care, bro, as long as I get way much more HP.
It gives the same HP.
No, bro. I'm talking about the Gojo. I was using the Gojo accessory. I got way much more HP. I'm at 3k. I'm at 350k. Look, I'm popping a Fuga.
Blood, because of blood, let it more speed. Oh yes.
I don't really think a domain is necessary, but whatever. I got another special grade 10, bro. I have 3 special grade 10s at this point. That should add 3.
And I have negative 0
Hit 10 isn't even that good, bro. Zach!
No, I just went away for a single I died.
You better pop your domain, Luca. Hello, Purple. Yorick Ting. Yo, bro, why am I flipping stuttering on it? Yorick Ting. Come on, Misu.
I'm just spamming guys on the suit gang.
I'm busy spamming all of my Gojo abilities, bruh.
Special grade
Kamatoke. That's it. I have it, bro. I have it. It's this thing that I have.
It's tomato now.
Tomato.
It's actually called tomato.
It's not, bro. It's called Kamutoke.
Nah, gang, tomato.
Tomato is crazy. Wait, look at order form next to me with it. Oh, never
Oh
mind.
my gosh. That's some good damage actually.
But you don't have any sword stats. I'm putting in sword stats.
I do have sword stats.
Oh, I didn't know that. My bad. Did you guys get wall cutting slash?
I'm going for technique. I'm sword bow.
Y'all just got world cutting slashed and wait, I might actually solo an area Sakuna by myself.
Wait. What's in chat? There's like a code or something in chat.
OCT, why are you not working?
You be for luck. It's that code or something.
Stay Jonathan. Woo!
Hello. Domain expansion.
I'm putting in and saving the code. It's not a freaking code.
Yeah, I know. I just used it. Not used it, but I tried to use it. Did he just pop an off?
You know what? We have to kill him before he pops the OCT.
He just popped an off again because it's really getting on my nerves. Question, bro. This is the last part of the compilation. The begin with the compilation.
Yes, it is the last part.
Okay, thank you. And then you have to tell me the name of your YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. But didn't I already send you it? Zach, OCT, I'll take it away.
All over me, gang. All over me, gang. Goon all over me.
On your side. Okay, Luca, you wanna kill the boss one last time? Oh, I'm gonna kill the boss one last time.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll but after this, I'm not doing it.
What if you get the mummified head when we kill the boss now? Second. I'm on life support. Why did I fuga? I meant to shrine. Yep, Sakuna popped a fuga on me. Oh no, arrow tail lights out.
Guys, I'm gonna join the
Okay. Born night, arrow tail lights out. What if this guy pops a shrine on us? An incomplete shrine.
We die.
Yo!
Because I would simply pop and simple domain.
He healed himself, by the way. Slash OCT.
This? Nobody likes to do all of that.
Life support, yo. We have to kill him before he can pop another one.
Let me pop my domain. After this, I'm not playing this stupid thing.
that's the compilation. We're done now. And I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go grind a little now. So, see you. Bye.